Hello and welcome to Zesty Yoga. My name is Jessica and today we are going to be doing some yoga to build some arm strength. So let's go ahead and find our way to a seated position. Legs can be crossed or extended out in front of you. Take a moment to rock a little bit. Find that grounding, that heaviness down into the hips. Get yourself comfortable. And then finding that extension upwards. So finding length through this spine up through the crown of the head as the sits bones grow heavy down into the earth. And as you inhale, reach the arms up overhead, grow tall. You can leave the eyes closed or you can open them. But feel into that length, into that extension. Maybe reach the right fingertips up a little bit taller, and then the left. Finding just a little bit more length. Take one more deep inhale, grow taller, taller. And exhale, wing the arms out and down. Fingertips touch the earth. And again, inhale, reach it up. Deep breath in. Exhale, sweep the arms back down. Inhale, sweep it up. Exhale, down. Last one, inhale. Reach the arms up. This time, bring your palms together overhead. And as you exhale, slide the palms down to heart center. And we'll take this moment to quickly set an intention for our practice. Just something that helps you remain present in this moment so that when the mind starts to kind of wander off, be able to bring it back to this thought. So maybe a word or a phrase, something that has some meaning to you. Maybe you're kind of changing paradigms or beliefs that necessarily aren't true. So maybe you set as your intention the mantra, I am strong. Whatever you feel you need today. And then take a deep inhale through the nose. Open the mouth, sigh it out. And then we're going to reach the arms open at a T, flip the palms up towards the sky, and then bring the fingertips onto the shoulders. So we want the elbows at shoulder height. And we're just going to start drawing little circles forward with the elbows. Really think about pressing the elbows back behind you. So you're opening into the chest a little bit while you're doing this. And we're keeping that nice length in the spine, keeping the belly hugging us in gently. So core supporting us here. And then we're going to start to make our circles a little bit bigger. So think about medium-sized circles. We're still drawing them forward. Just creating a little bit of movement in the shoulders so that we can build strength in them in the arms. And then we're going to make our circles as big as possible. Full range of motion. My arms and shoulders are a little sore today, so this actually feels wonderful. And we're going to keep that full range of motion. Those big circles, we're just going to reverse the direction. So now we're really opening up into the chest. And then we're going back to those medium-sized circles. Continue to think about pushing those elbows back. Continuing to breathe. Your shoulders might be really warming up by now. And then we're back to those little circles. So making them a little bit faster. Again, think about pushing the elbows back behind you and keep those elbows at shoulder height. Nice. Bring the hands down behind you. Interlace the fingers. We're going to draw the fists down towards the floor. Open up the chest, shoulder blades pull together behind you. And you can either lift the chin up towards the sky or drop the chin down towards the chest. Give your head a little rock side to side, releasing through the neck. And then we're going to find our way to our tabletop. So swing the legs around behind you. Tabletop. Wrist underneath the shoulders, hips over the knees. Press the ground into the earth. So we're going to find a couple cat-cows, and we really want to think about what we're feeling in the shoulders. So as you allow the belly to drop down, feel your shoulder blades draw together behind you. Open the chest. And as you exhale, the belly reaches up towards the sky, and the shoulder blades pull apart on your back. Inhale, drop the belly, shoulder blades pull together. Exhale, push the ground away with the hands. Feel the shoulders separate. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. And exhale. Inhale to your tabletop. We're going to lower the forearms down onto the mat. We want to make sure that the elbows are directly underneath the shoulders. So a good, because we have a tendency to let the elbows kind of go wide here. So we can take a quick measurement. You can wrap your hands around your elbows, and you want to make sure that your fingertips actually curl around the elbow. We're not just bringing the fingertips to the very edge of the elbow. We want to be able to kind of curl them around the elbows, and then without moving the elbows, because we just took this measurement, we don't want to lose it, we bring the hands down in front of us. And we want to start pressing the hands down and forward so the fingertips start to grip down into the earth. And we're going to feel the belly hug us in. And if you need to stay here with the knees on the ground, you can do that. Or else we're tucking the toes and lifting the knees, coming into our dolphin pose. So kind of like our downward facing dog, except that our forearms are down. And you can take a quick pedal out through the legs if that feels good, kind of like you would in your downward facing dog. And then when you're ready to find a little bit of stillness, feel the lower ribs hug you in, the tailbone reaches up and back, and we're pushing the ground away with the forearms, with the hands. And then with the knees on the ground or the knees lifted, we're going to shift forward so the shoulders come more over the wrists almost. And then we're going to push it back. Again, slide it forward. Push it back. Slide it forward. Push it back. Once more, slide it forward. Push it back. We're going to drop the knees if they're lifted. We're going to leave the hips over the knees. Walk the hands forward. Drop the chest down. So kind of like in our child's pose, except this is our puppy dog. And if it feels good, maybe you tent into the fingertips, lifting the palms, the forearms up off the ground, kind of giving yourself a little bit more room to soften, to drop in. And then go ahead and walk the hands back in towards you. And we're going to find our plank, our half plank with the knees down, or our full plank with the knees lifted. But we want to make sure that the knees are behind the hips and we're hugging the belly in. We turn the eyes of the elbow or that crease of the elbow forward. And we're gripping down into the fingertips in our strong plank. Take a deep inhale here. And as you exhale, bend into the elbows, lower halfway. And we're going to push it back up because that's super fun. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, lower halfway. Push it back up. Just two more. Lower halfway. Push it back up. Last one. Keep the shoulders strong on your back, the belly hugging you in. Push it up. And this time we're going lower all the way down onto our belly. The chin or the forehead can be on the mat. And we're going to open the arms up to a cactus. So the forearms are down. And the elbows and the shoulders are on the same line. And we're going inhale, lift our chest up, float the heart, hands start to float. And we want to think about pulling those shoulder blades together on our back and then sliding them down our back. Exhale, lower it down. We're just going a little wiggle through the hips like we're wagging our tail. And then once again, chin or forehead on the mat. We're going to tuck our tailbone a little bit, pull into the core, float the chest, float the head, arms can float, and we're pulling the shoulder blades together and down our back. Exhale, lower it down, hands, arms can come in to support you, side the face onto the mat, little wiggle out through the hips. We're going to press ourselves back up and find our tabletop. And from here, step the right foot up in between the hands. We want to find our lunge, so press down through the feet. As you inhale, lift yourself up. We're going to reach the arms up and then again, open. I don't really have enough room. Open the arms to a T. There we go. Feel your tailbone tuck, your belly hug in. Super strong, super stable. So we can just kind of hang out here. Our arms are kind of limp, but they're in the shape, right? I want you to flex, like you're showing off your muscles. So everything in the arms, the shoulders working, flex as hard as you can. You can leave the fingertips open, shooting that energy out through the fingertips. Take a deep inhale. And as you exhale, keeping that strength, that flex in the arms, push the forearms together. So the palms press together, the elbows press together. Inhale, open it up. And we're going to drop the right elbow down, left elbow reaches up. Find a little side stretch. Inhale, lift it back center. We're keeping the arms flexed, super strong. And the other side, left down, right up. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, flex, press the palms together, elbows press together. Inhale, open it up. Exhale, right elbow down. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, left down. Inhale, up. Exhale, forearms press together. Inhale, open up, flex hard. Exhale, right down. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Just one more time. Exhale, press it together. Inhale, open it up. Keep it strong. Exhale, right down. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. And we're going to reach the arms down, kind of shake them out. Plant the hands. And we're going to step it back. Tabletop. Cat-cow. Inhale, drop the belly. Exhale, arch the back. Feel the shoulder blades pull apart. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale to a neutral spine. And this time we're stepping the left foot up in between the hands, knee over ankle. We're pressing down through the legs, reaching the arms up. Open up to a cactus. Again, we're flexing the arms. We're showing off our muscles. Keeping those elbows at shoulder height, keeping the shoulders soft. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, press the forearms together. Inhale, open it up, still strong. And this time left goes down, right goes up. Center, left down. Oh wow, right down, left up. Other side, you got it. Inhale, center. Exhale, press it together. Inhale, open. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Flex those arms, keep them strong. Center, exhale, front. Inhale, open. Exhale, left. Inhale. Exhale, right. Inhale. Last time. Press it together. Open it up. Exhale, right. Left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Soften the arms. Shake them out. We're going to bring the hands down, but this time step it forward, forward fold. We're going to soften into the knees, bringing the belly onto the thighs. Go ahead and let your head dangle, hang loose. And we're going to bring the hands behind us, interlace the fingers. We're going to start to lift the fist away. from the hips. And you can kind of shoulder roll, kind of wringing your shoulders out. Let the head dangle. If the legs want to start to straighten, you can do that, but we want to be able to keep the belly on the thighs. And release the arms down. Plant the hands, step the feet back, drop the knees. We're going to swing the legs around in front of us. Coming to sit once more. We're opening the arms up to a T once more, but this time we're bringing the right arm across, hooking it with the left. We don't want to press on the elbow, so either on one part of the arm or the other. But soften the shoulders down as you gently draw that right arm a little closer to your chest. Again, we're staying somewhat active, so we're sending energy out through the fingertips. We're not just, hanging out here, limp noodles, none of that. And then we're going to take that left hand, grab onto the right elbow, send it up, drop the right fingertips back. Maybe you can feel your right fingertips right in between your shoulder blades. We're going to gently press the elbow back and then draw it in towards us. We want to make sure that we can keep our neck nice and long, nice and soft. This is crouching you over. Release it a little bit. And breathe. If it feels good, maybe you start to find a little side bend to the left. Find what you need. And reach it all the way back out. We're switching it out, left across, right hooks. Softening the shoulders. Staying active through the fingertips. And then grab onto the elbow, send the elbow up, drop the left fingertips down. And again, we're pushing the elbow back and gently drawing it in towards us, finding the stretch where we need it to be today. Again, if you need that side bend, you can go there. And then release, bring the fingertips down. Inhale, sweep it up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, bring it up. Palms touch. Exhale, slide the hands down to heart center. Close the eyes for a moment. Soften the shoulders. Feeling strong and powerful. Taking this moment to cultivate that feeling of gratitude. Gratitude for all that your body allowed you to do today. For every breath. And of course, thank you for allowing me to be a part of your journey until we meet on our mats again. Namaste.